As previously mentioned, the iFOSC is a standard FOSC 450D size closure with the same familiar features: dome, gel block, base clamp, and tray tower. The main difference is that the Remote Phi version of the closure will have white reflective tape on the base, indicating that it is a specialized splice closure. Once you open the closure, you'll be able to identify all ITU channels, common, and test points by viewing either side of the splice trays. On each splice tray, individual fibers are both color-coded and labeled to ensure correct connection to the cable plant. Every installation will present itself with unique challenges. Whether it's aerial or underground plant, consideration needs to be taken to make sure that the location will allow for easy access after the initial installation for repair, troubleshooting, or connecting additional child nodes at a later date. Some locations will have a high concentration of child nodes, while others will have a low concentration connected to the Remote Phi closure. If the parent-to-child node quantity is small, say 3 or less, then feeding the child nodes directly from the iFOSC may be a good solution, as the cable buildup exiting the iFOSC is acceptable. However, as the parent-to-child node quantity increases, cable congestion and buildup may become problematic. It may be beneficial to consider creating an access closure that is co-located to the parent node closure. The access closure will create a connection point to the child nodes from the parent node and allow for easy access and termination of multiple small fiber cables. Here is a typical layout of an access closure, also known as a sidecar installation. The access closure should be in close proximity to the parent closure, generally within 100 feet. If you choose to use the access closure approach, prepare the parent node with a single fiber cable sized to meet the channel requirements. Ensure all common, express, and ITU channels are documented with the associated buffer tubes and fibers connecting the access closure to the parent node. If you choose to connect the child nodes directly to the iFOSC closure, you can skip this step.